Hey everyone! So today, I want to share something that honestly changed my makeup game entirely. I mean, if you've ever struggled with your base makeup looking flawless, then you're in for a treat. We all know the struggle. You wake up, you're tired, you've got bags under your eyes, and you just want to look like you've got it all together, right? But somehow, by the time you finish your foundation, you still look like you just rolled out of bed. Can I get an amen? Well, let me tell you about this base makeup hack that I stumbled upon, and it's been a total game changer. First things first, it's all about the prep. You might think you can just slap on some foundation and call it a day, but trust me, the secret is in the skincare. I know, it sounds cliché, but hear me out. The better your skin looks, the less makeup you need, and the more natural your base will appear. So, I'm talking about a good cleanse, a hydrating toner, and a moisturizer that suits your skin type. If you have oily skin, go for something lightweight. If you're dry, slather on that rich cream. But here's where it gets interesting. After your skincare routine, you're going to want to use a primer. Now, I used to think primers were just an extra step that I didn't need, but oh boy, was I wrong. A good primer not only helps your makeup stay put but also creates a smooth canvas for your foundation. I found this amazing silicone-based primer that fills in pores and fine lines, and let me tell you, it's like magic. Now, onto the foundation. Here's the hack. Instead of applying it directly to your face, try mixing it with your moisturizer or a facial oil. This is the secret sauce that changed everything for me. By thinning out your foundation, you can achieve that beautiful, skin-like finish without looking cakey. It gives you that dewy glow we all crave while still providing coverage. Just take a pump of foundation and mix it with a bit of your moisturizer on the back of your hand. Then, using a damp beauty sponge, tap it onto your skin. The result? Flawless, natural-looking skin that feels like you're not wearing anything at all. Now, let's talk about concealer. We all have those days when dark circles just refuse to budge. Here's a tip. Use a color corrector before your concealer. A peach or orange corrector can neutralize those dark circles, and when you layer your concealer on top, it looks so much more seamless. Just remember to blend, and then there's setting your makeup. I used to think that setting powders were only for oily skin, but not anymore. A light dusting of translucent powder can help lock everything in place without looking heavy. Just focus on the areas where you tend to get shiny or where your makeup tends to fade. And don't forget to spritz a setting spray to bring everything together. It's like the cherry on top of your makeup sundae. Finally, the last piece of advice. Don't forget to embrace your natural beauty. If you're having one of those days where you just don't feel like wearing a full face, that's completely okay. A little tinted moisturizer and some mascara can go a long way. The goal is to feel confident and comfortable in your skin, no matter how much makeup you choose to wear. So there you have it. This base makeup hack is all about layering and mixing to achieve that perfect, natural look. I promise, once you try it, you'll wonder how you ever lived without it. Happy makeuping, and remember, you're beautiful just the way you are.